Okay, the very first thing that I do is to buy a domain name, and I usually come to namecheap.com. That's namecheap.com. Of course, there's another website called GoDaddy, but I don't use GoDaddy mainly because of the one thing is the upsells, and also because when we do a search, you enter the domain name you want. From what I've known of, GoDaddy, what they do is that when you do a search term, that means you are doing a test to find out a suitable domain name, and you don't buy it. Let's say you're doing a research, and if you don't buy it, when you come back again to try to buy it, what happens is GoDaddy has actually bought it. So if you want that domain name, you're gonna have to buy it at a higher price. So to prevent such a thing from happening, what I usually do is come to namecheap.com to find to do my domain name testing to find out which domains the name of the domains that I want to use. So I'm just gonna go and search for my domain name now. Do a search here. There we have it. We have it available. So I'm gonna go and purchase it. Okay. Now that we are here, is that the next thing I'm gonna do is that I see this coupon code here. I'm gonna look for a coupon code. So I'll just quickly head on over to Google and type in name cheap coupon. So I just click on any of these. I just click on the first, maybe the second one. Let's try something else. Let's see what we got here. So I'm just gonna try this one. Just copy it and paste that here. Apply coupon. And there we have a bit of a discount. So this is good for a year. So if you want to go for 2 years, 3 years, for now I'm just gonna try go for 1 year. So I'm done with this, and I'll check it out. Now, in order to get your own domain name, you're gonna have to register an account. So if you don't have, you have to sign up for one here. Well, you just have to sign up for one account. So you click on this to get it. I already have one, so I'm just gonna go straight in. Once done, I'll just go on way down here, click on continue to options, and click carry on with continue to options. I'm just gonna leave it at use of free name servers and click to continue checkout. So over here it says that whether I'm going to pay using the funds available in my account or pay directly using a credit card. I'm going to use this and add funds into it so that whenever it renews, I don't have to keep coming back here and to add funds into it where it keeps renewing. So, but either way, this is actually alright. Okay, so now that it's loaded, we can have several options. You can add funds into your account using PayPal, with Google Checkout, or credit card. I will be using PayPal right now. Now that it's done loading, I'm just going to add some of my funds here. I'm just going to about $20, and I'll proceed to PayPal. I'll log in here. Pay. Okay, looks like I'm done. Click on this, continue. Okay, just now that was on a new page, so I'm just hitting back here, and I proceed to secure payment. Okay, charge and process. Okay, good. So looks like it's completed. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's all done. Just click on continue. Now that we are done here, I'm just going to head on over to my email account. And I'm gonna see this, the order is complete. This is the receipt. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is gonna click on manage domains. I'm gonna click on this, my address. Okay, once it's ready, click on over transfer DNS to web host. For the domain name service here, you're gonna have to check in your email for the hosting. I am currently using HostGator, so below this video or somewhere in this page, you should be able to see a link that brings you towards a recommended host. I recommend HostGator and getting the baby package because of its pricing. So and when you register and hosting an account, you're gonna get the email in your email inbox that states the specific information, DNS information. So you're gonna have to copy and paste those two inside here. I already have mine, so I'm just gonna copy and paste them inside here. And once you're done, you're gonna check your email inbox for this. And once you're done, we just click on Save Changes. Okay, so it says that it's updated. So we're gonna give it some time, and then we'll be able to see whether it's connected or not. Okay, that's how we can quickly register a domain name and put it under our own hosting account. Okay, so one other thing that I want to make point of is that you want to link your domain name with your hosting. So currently I'm already logged into my hosting account that's under HostGator. What I did was to go to my primary domain name, which is moremoneytospend.com, add a /cpanel. So this thing will come up after I key in my password and my login. I will be seeing this screen. So what you want to do is after that is to head on in, come on down over to add-on domains, click on that, and you'll be able to see that there's an add-on domain here. So what you want to do is you want to actually add in the different domain names here. I'm going to add in my Think and Grow Rich in 30 days right now. And as you tap, you see all this actually fill in automatically. Okay, so next thing I'm just gonna have to put in my password. You can of course generate password, but this is kind of hard to remember. It's actually a very good password. To me it's too hard to remember, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm just gonna use my own password here. Okay, and we just add domain. Okay, so it says that Think and Grow Rich in 30 days has been created. Let's try it out. There we go. So this is the first thing you see right now. So take note, that means it's currently is linked correctly. So now all I have to do is just change this website at an index.html, which is the index file, and that will show up as the very first page. So take note that you cannot do this until after the domain name and the hosting account has been propagated or linked together properly, and that will usually take about within 24 to 48 hours, or maybe 72 hours. If you need any further support, it's much better to check with the support team of the various hosting accounts, and they'll be able to help you much better. So that's how you can actually properly link the two together.